Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a new mod for the Tacoma I wanted to show you guys. Let's check this out. So the one thing that I don't like about my Tacoma is my seats. I do not like these seats. The material's okay, but it's not that great. The color's horrible. I mean, if I get anything on these seats, it is going to stain, it's going to ruin them. And yeah, I'm just not a fan of them. I really wish I had black interior or leather, but I don't like these. So let me show you what I came up with. Kustom Interior sent me some of their premium seat covers. And I am really excited to put these in the Tacoma. I think it's going to completely change this truck. So I got the truck in the garage ready to go. So we are going to get these seat covers installed. Let's go ahead and unbox them and see what we got. What do you think of the seat covers, Reno? You like them? Yeah, I think he likes them. Anyhow, check these out. These are crazy. The quality in this, I mean, it already feels like an OEM seat just sitting here. I haven't even started. What do you think, Ollie? You like them? I don't think he likes them. All right, well, let's go ahead and get these on. I think the first box is for the front too. So yeah, let's get these on. All right, so I actually found out that this box was for the rear, so I'm gonna go ahead and open the rear and we're gonna get these installed. Everything looks like it clips together behind and under the seat, so I'll show you kind of what I'm doing and how I'm clipping these together. I thought it would be worth mentioning, I've never installed seat covers before, ever. So if I can do this relatively easy, then this is gonna be super DIY easy for all of you to do, so we're about to find out. So for the first one, looks like we're gonna go right over top here. So go ahead and stuff these down in here. Looks like these are gonna go under the seats. When you're doing this, you can actually feel you pushing these under, so when you pop the seat up, you can grab them. So when I get done with this, you should see them underneath the seats. So, all right, let's pull the seat up. All right, so you can easily get them pulled through. So, we're just pushing the seat cover through. All we're doing right now, and once we're done, this should be a tight fit. Lift this up just to get this out of the way. Perfect. So far, we're fitting great. Up. Awesome Velcro on the sides. So that is a huge help, keeping the seat attached. Okay, so here's your clips. So that's it. You just clip this together and you're installed. Make sure you get all of your Velcro. There are a couple of them. All right. That's it. First part of the back seat cover is installed. So I went ahead and took out my headrests and we're gonna work on this back piece. I'm sure we're gonna have to unbuckle this. Let's get that unbuckled out of the way. got our back piece here. We're gonna do the same thing. It looks like we're just gonna be tucking stuff under, and then just getting this on there snug, and should be good. I'm gonna start with down here, putting these, tucking these up behind it. This over here. Let's get that kinda. That's where it goes. Not actually putting anything on, just trying to get stuff where it goes. Now that those are behind it, I'm gonna fold it down just to kind of pull everything where it needs to go. And then once I have everything kind of where it needs to go, we'll strap it in and just kind of work with the seat. So these are all just strapped in. This is not how the seat goes on, so it is super goofy looking, but we gotta work with it here for a second. There we go. Now we're getting there. We gotta get our side pieces here. We're gonna have side pieces to get looped in. And these will actually keep your seat cup on there good. All right, now we're starting to look like a seat. Look at that. Wow. This completely changes the interior of the truck. I am really stoked on this. And this is like OEM feeling. Feels great. Just to give you kind of an idea of how everything's tied together, just it's all snapped together and Velcro. Super easy. So, let's go ahead and do the front. Okay, we're gonna get this first one started. Go ahead and take off our headrests. This one's pretty straightforward. Like we're just going over top. Actually, let me show you. This one's got, instead of clips, you got hooks. So this one's gonna be a little bit different. There's a zipper on the side. So. All right, not too bad. Stick these through the back. These little clips here. All right, so seat cover's on, but I want to show you these clips. These you have to stick in kind of like this, and then you're gonna take your fingers and twist it to where it opens flat like this. So it's holding the seat on the back side. So we're gonna push it in. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but push it in and you can turn it and it will hold the seat in. Same goes for this side. Push it in and you can turn it, and then it's gonna hold the seat in there correctly. And then the seat cover is on. On the back side, it's really easy. I'll show you. I'm gonna undo it. So you're gonna have this hook. You're just gonna wrap the hook underneath and hook it in. Super easy. That's all it takes. There is a zipper over here. You'll zip that down and you're good to go. All right, for the bottom seat cover, it looks like we got some similar stuff here. So we're gonna put these back in and we are going to do the same thing with these. And then you got some clips to go under the seats and some hooks in the front. So we're gonna throw this on, shouldn't be too hard. All right, so I just got finished installing the seats. This is a good DIY project. It took me roughly 2 hours. Wasn't very difficult. It just was kind of time consuming. You just have to be careful when you're clipping everything and putting everything into place. But I want to let you guys check them out. They are perfect. Check this out. I mean, this is so much better. And honestly, they fit perfect. I am so stoked on these. So stoked. It literally transformed my entire truck. I'm going to link Kustom Interior and the link to this set that I got in the description. But yeah, these are sick. As always, I appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions about this, the install, anything that I may have missed or didn't explain very well, feel free to comment below. I tried my best, but I was also just one guy, installing these things. So I appreciate you watching. Thanks, and subscribe.